Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WEBTOON how to download manga for offline reading. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download manga for offline reading, first what you need to do is head over and open up your WEBTOON app, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, you'll be given a bunch of options to explore on the home screen, or you can just simply tap on the search icon and then search for the manga that you want to download. Then once you have selected your manga, simply tap on it, and then you'll be seeing your three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, here you'll find the option that says download. Simply tap on that, and then you'll be prompted to select the episodes that you want to download. All you gotta do is just simply select the episodes that you want to download and then tap on the download button on the bottom. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.